Attention real estate broker and real estate owners. How would you like a machine to bring customers and ready to use? Discover the fantastic customer magnet funnel to promote your list of available properties completely free. Use the power of the internet and digital marketing to leverage your results and let the customer magnet machine work for you. Check out our lead magnet funnels ready-made and done for you. Promote your properties with an irresistible offer designed for your audience. Capture data and create a customer base to notify them whenever a new property is available. Capture data from your visitors with a page designed and structured especially for your audience. With this funnel, you collect email addresses from visitors, but only release the compelling proposal for the valid and confirm emails. We know that it is not easy to get customers today, and the competition is getting higher in all industries. That is why we created a real customer magnet machine. It is a specialized funnel designed by professionals to attract those who are really looking for services by offering an irresistible offer in exchange for their real contact details. It is an internet page with a very attractive layout and the content created to convert your visitors into customers. This page has a form where the visitors enter their information, which will be stored in your database so that you can get in contact, schedule the courtesy offer, and send additional emails. A funnel like this would cost $800 or more, but we are giving this template away for free. Thousands of professionals around the world already use our funnels to leverage their business and are very happy with the results. This offer may not be available for a long time, as we only need to offer it to a limited number of professionals, due to the support that is needed. So be sure to take advantage of the opportunity right now, before it is taken off the air.